Right, so this is a digital inspection endoscope, and I'm going to give you some bullet points before we get to the unboxing. So this is a dual lens endoscope, explore with precision, a 4.5-inch HD screen, crystal clear visuals, a 1080p Borescope, high definition inspection, waterproof design, tackle wet environments, semi-rigid snake camera, flexible yet sturdy built-in lights, illuminate dark spaces, 32GB TF card, ample storage including carry case, it comes with a little carry case, convenient portability, 16.5 foot cable, extended reach, unboxing and testing, hands-on review experience. So with that, get the unboxing done, shall we? I had trouble getting it out of the box, but it does come in a nice little case and it's quite rigid, so it should protect everything that's inside. So I'm going to get that out of the way. Before I do all the components, come with a nice safety warning. Get that out of the way. Not sure what that is because I can't read it. Industrial endoscope user manual. Is that it? Oh, it's got different models in it. Might read that. Return label. Now that's unusual. Broken or disliked. That is unique. I've not seen that before. User manual. There's proper user manual. I will read that. So it comes with the actual cable with the actual lights on it. So on one end you have a USB Type-C connection. That's a little bit different. I wonder if that locks in, which would be handy because if you use your mobile phone, like I do on some of my other endoscopes, you might find they keep coming out. Whereas if it locks in, and I'm guessing it does, and looking at that, I would say it definitely does, it's not going to come out by mistake, which is good, which is what I like. The actual lens on the other end, yeah, very good. I'm not sure what that is yet. I'm wondering if it's some sort of clip, but we will get to that in a bit. And what's this? It's like a little tablet box, doesn't it? So it comes with some spare bits by looking at that, some add-ons for maybe for different angles. So it'll have the angle of the dangle. Yeah, I'm going to put them back because I don't want to lose them. They'll go back in. Yeah, and they do. Put the lid back on. I'll have a look at them later. We will go through what they're actually for, including that. And the USB to USB Type-C connection. And I'm guessing that is for charging that up. The actual device itself, it's got a nice weight to it. It's not heavy, but it's not light. And it's got a mounting point there as well. So if you've got like a small tripod, you can mount it to that, which I do have. What's this say on the other side? USB charging port, 5 volt. Oh right, it's in there. Oh, that's very good. Keeps it waterproof. Yeah, well thought out so far. Now let's see if I'm right about plugging this in. So I'm going to just plug it into what happens. Or try. Oh, it does. That locks in. So press that. No, got to press that one. Or press both. And I broke it. I can't get it off. Right, I need to read the instructions now because I can't get it off. I would have thought you just press that and then you just pull it. Oh, you do. It's a little bit stiff, which is not a bad thing. So that is the unboxing out the way. So I'm going to have a read of the instructions, make sure she's fully charged up before I turn her on for the first time. Give me a second. It was fully charged up, but I've been playing about with it, so the battery has gone down a little bit because I want to know how it all works so that I can give you a better experience. And yeah, it works really well, by the way. So we have 2 cameras on this. We have the facing one, that one there. And if you press this button here, we have a side one. There. Yeah. So 2 cameras. One there, one there. Change it back to that one. Hey. Yeah, very good. Yeah. These are attachments, and I'm just going to put one on because they are a bit fiddly. So, say for instance, you want to put, say, that one on, or you want the hook. You undo this one, like so. It's only a little cover, and I'm going to go for the hook because you might need the hook one day. It's like I said, it's a little bit fiddly sometimes for putting it on. Go like that, and voila. Can you see that on the camera? Hopefully you can. There's a little hook on there. So you can push it in somewhere, and hopefully whatever you need to hook it out. Now, I did find, and I found this on every one of these endoscopes, it does help if you've got a second person helping you. One to hold the camera and to move it about, and the other one to hold the monitor, because the monitor just wants to fall about all the time. Yeah, so that's it. I prefer that one actually. So change cameras and back in. Now, should you find that it's upside down, let's see if I'll put it at me. Like so, I'm upside down. If you press the up down arrows, I'm right way up. Very handy. Yeah. Especially when you're fighting with these, because they are quite rigid, so you do tend to be fighting about of it. Now, should you need to take a photo, hopefully it's obvious, press that button there, and it takes a photo. Now, should you wish to do video, if you press the M button once, it will go to video mode. So press the photo camera again, and now we're recording. See that? And I'm upside down again. Change it around. Come on. Oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't work when you're recording. Okay, I didn't know that. I know this does though. The side camera. See that? There. So that still works when you're recording, but the upside down one doesn't. You need to stop it. Stop it. Turn it around. Or broke it. Oh, there you go. Press record. It put me upside down. Oh my god. Oh, it's working. Oh, that's better. It's working now. And it's recording. But the writing's upside down. Or the timer. That's weird. Anyway, that works. Okay. Now, should you wish to view the photo that I took earlier, press the M button again. It goes to, oh, it's gone to video. I want your photo. I'm sure I took a photo. Perhaps I didn't. Anyway, it's gone to video. Oh yeah, it's got a speaker as well. Video quality is pretty good. I wasn't expecting it to be fantastic, but it's pretty good. Now, should you wish to turn the light on and off, so one press for the light, which is that button there. Oh, hang on, we're in the wrong mode. Go back to photo or video. I'm going to go video, I prefer video. Light, that's full brightness, and then we can dim it down 2 times, and then the 3rd time we turn it back off again. Yeah, make sense? And off. Could make my eyes go funny. Now, settings. If you need to go into the settings, it's a cog. Pretty standard, or pretty easy to understand. Resolution is HD resolution 1080. Well, actually, video is 1280 by 720, and that would be because of the shape. And I believe photo is 1080. Because I had a look earlier. Sound, press the down button or the up button. Sound recording is on. You can turn it off. Date stamp is on as well. I think it is now anyway. I've just done it. If you press the gear button again, we go into the rest of the settings. Automatic shutdown, it defaults to English. Now, should you need to change it, just scroll down using the arrow keys, press OK, and you have 4 options. I believe it's Russian, Chinese, and something else. I can't remember now. Oh, and French, looking at that. But we're leaving it on English. Scroll down again, you can do your date, which I've already done. And that was quite easy. If you want to change it to the 24th or 2024, press down key, but I don't want to leave it like that. Press OK. Now to get out, I couldn't figure out how to get out, so I just pressed the cog one, and that got me out. Format, obviously that will format the actual memory card that actually comes with it. Don't forget, you get a 32GB memory card pre-installed already. And you can change it. I'm not sure how big you can go. Scroll down, default settings and your version. Press it again, the cog, and you go back to the main screen and we're on video. Yeah, very easy to use, very easy to understand. Now, I'm going to show you some footage. I'm going to take the memory card out, and oh yeah, by the way, they do recommend you shouldn't turn it on and off with this not plugged in. You must make sure this is plugged in. You could damage the actual hardware or software inside. It doesn't actually say that, but it advises you to make sure it's plugged in before you turn it on, so I'm guessing you could damage it. That's my opinion. So with that, let me just show you some footage. Like I said, I did try it in a number of different places because I want to have a play about it. I even tried it down my toilet. Well, you've got to try these things. The story about it looks a bit, you know, but it's a toilet, what do you expect? And it's been there for quite a few years now. So perhaps I need to change it. Let me know in the comments whether I need to change my toilet. But yeah, I thought I'll try it down there because I want to see if it's waterproof, of course. And yeah, it is. So yeah, I'm pleased with it. The thing I liked about this compared to some of the others I've done a review on, or the thing I like most about this, is this. The fact it won't come out unless you press the button on the back, which is that one now. You need to hold that button in to release it. It does get easier the more times you do it. Yeah. So as you can see, yeah, it's quite easy. But I like that idea. I like the fact it locks in, because when you use your phone, it does tend to pop out quite a lot and it can be very annoying. So you need to hold it in quite a bit. Well, this locks in place. The other things I liked about this, the fact you can change it, you know, from upside down to the right way up, and pressing that button, you can change it from one camera to another just by pressing that button. Very easy to do. Now, I know other endoscopes can do virtually the same, but I just like the way they've done this one. It's a nice colour as well. I like the grey and blue bit, yeah. And it's very easy to use. What I don't like about it, and that's the same on any endoscope, is the cable pulls it about everywhere. So you need two people. You need one to hold this still, while the other person moves the actual lens about, fiddles down the hole. Unless you can mount it on something, you know, like onto your chest or something like that, keep it still. That's an idea, isn't it? A sort of cradle for it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I thought of that. Yeah, apart from that, yeah, I think it's brilliant. Love it. It's going to be my #1 choice at the moment. If you're looking for an endoscope, this is the one I recommend right now. Video quality, it's not fantastic, but none of them are fantastic. It is a 1080 or 720, whatever it was, 12 something, wasn't it? And, you know, there is a bit of greyness there, especially when it's really dark. But you can adjust the light, like I showed you earlier. And yeah, I think it's worth the money. Actually, I don't even know how much it costs. So with that, as always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And if you like this video or any of my videos and you found this informative, helpful, or just enjoyable, consider subscribing. It does help the channel keep on growing. Without you, I wouldn't get any of these products. I need you, and hopefully you need me. So with that, don't forget to give me the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching.